Okay, I'm going out to hang a door. It's kind of raining out here, but I'll be in the garage. And this is as bad as it gets. Once we're in the garage, then we don't get wet. This is a more normal day of what to expect when you're in the garage door industry. After this door, I'm gonna go do a spring change. I already have set up. So the door is gonna be about 3,500 bucks. Then the spring change, I'll probably get about maybe 800 to 1,000. The door is new construction as well, so I don't have to take an old door down. So I'll be in and out pretty quick. All right, so I'll be there in about 5 minutes, and I'll be hanging a door, keeping you posted. Talk at you. Putting up the door trim.
Yeah.
Okay, the vertical going on. Vertical. Doors up. Where's my little magnetic?
Look at what I'm doing to you.
The door is done.
And you gotta put that siding on it.
Okay, we finished the job there. There's the door over there. That's the time. We finished probably 45 minutes ago, so I finished it probably around 12:30. 2.5 hours, I hung a door, made the 3,700, decided to do this job. I wanted to show you guys normally how it is. When I go out and I do these other jobs, I'm just putting around doing them. But when you can go out and hang doors the same way I do and then go do spring changes and stuff afterwards. Because people call you during the day while you're doing the spring changes and then you can go do them. I don't market myself the way I used to do it, and I still make great money. So if you guys get in the game and start marketing yourself, you can get huge. You can make way more than I'm making. I'm doing it at a slower pace because of my age and stuff. But I decided to do this job today. And now I'm in line at In-N-Out Burger. See that? Now I'm gonna go out and do a spring change. Might be a warranty spring change, but okay, that's what I just got for a warranty spring. Anyway, it was $495. I gave them $70 towards the warranty off. The amount came to $425. The reason I didn't show that spring change, I didn't want to go in with the camera on. He called another company by mistake. They came out, he sent them away, paid them for their time, and he sat there and watched. I didn't want to be taking videos while he's watching. He was kind of annoyed and said he called the wrong guy, and he was kind of a guy that sounded like he was annoyed just talking to him. But by the end of the thing, he's shaking my hand, he appreciated me, he said it sounds great, he loved it, he didn't mind paying it. So I just got another service, and something to do with the sensors, that he said he pushes the wall button, he has to hold it to go down, but the remotes don't work. So I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna sell them on a door service, and go from there. We'll see you when I get there. Look at this ugly door. Ugly. Look how dry it looks. Anyway, I'm waiting for the guy to get here. Look at the size of that tree. So anyway, that was a sensor. The left side was broke, and I just changed it. $367. So I got that. I did a door for $3,700, and I did a spring change for $425. So $4,500. And the day is over. And now I will be going and getting something, maybe just something to drink. What a day, what a day. That's when I hang a door, it's a little more strenuous, but still a good day. I'll see you on the next one. So anyway, it's a great business all along. We just had a guy just now, I told him where to market himself for free. He called me that same afternoon and said, I already got 2 calls. So, that's basically what happens. Is you guys think this is a long, drawn-out process. It's not. You could be getting calls basically the same day. But definitely within weeks, you could be getting calls and going out and doing them. You guys should just start doing it. I'm telling you, you guys are sitting around wasting your time wondering. If you're worried about paying the $1,499, you made it real easy for you. You could do it in 2 payments. First payment's $750. You can make that on 1 call. And then the second payment you can make on the second call. And if you get 5 calls a day, you could have your whole course paid for. You got to do a couple service calls, big deal. You get your money back. Then you're at no risk. You've learned the trade. You get to go out and make nothing but profit. If you're interested in really making money, get into the garage door trade. I promise you, you'll be making this kind of money wherever you are in the country, Canada or Australia. We've sold our course in all 3 places. If you're in an area you think would be good for garage doors, hit us up and we will get you trained, teach you the right way, the most common way, teach you all the little tricks. You'll have a mentor. You could call us anytime when you're on jobs. If you forget something, you're not sure of something, you could call us or text us. You're not going to ever get that feature in any business. You're going to get some 800 number that no one's going to answer. Then they're going to call you like 2 weeks later. By then, you don't need them. So we're there for you. If you need us, just text us. It's almost like you work for us or we work for you. You basically got a mentor in your back pocket anytime you need them. And that's to do with business, to do with advertising, to do with anything, not just helping you on garage doors. But you're going to know most of the stuff when you go out there by the time you're done. You're forced to learn the way we have our curriculum set up. You're forced to learn. Otherwise, you can't get to the next portion. So take our course. It's only $1,499. Go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Learn this trade. Get it over with. You'll be calling me in 2 months from now. You'll be saying, thank God I took this course. I can't believe all this money I'm making. Anyway, like I said, go to the website. Get signed up. Quit dilly-dallying. It's just wasting time, wasting your life. You could be making money. All these spring changes and stuff people are doing. They're basically doing all of them right now, and you could be doing them. You could be making the money. All right, over and out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.